Time management. Time management is one of the most valuable skill in human life. Every person in the world receives the same 24 hours in a day. But the way people use their time creates the difference between success and failure. Some people use their time wisely and achieve their goals, while others waste their times and later regret it. Time once lost can never be brought back. Money can be earned again, but time cannot be recovered. Therefore, therefore, people should learn the importance of time management from a young age. Time management means planning and organizing activities properly so that important tasks can be completed effectively without wasting time. It helps people maintain discipline, reduce stress, increase productivity, and achieve success in personal and professional life. Students especially need good time management skill. Many students fail not because they are weak in studies, but because they do not manage their time properly. Some students spend too much time on mobile phone, social media, television, and unnecessary activities. When exam arrives, they feel fear and pressure because they have not prepared well. On the other hand, students who follow a timetable and study regularly feel more confident and relaxed during examinations. A student who studied a little every day learns better than a student who studies only before exams. Time management helps students balance studies, play, rest, and family responsibility, concentration, and memory. Because planned study habit reduced confusion and stress. Time management is also important for improving English skill. Many students want to speak English fluently but fail because they do not practicing consistently. If a student spend even 30 minutes daily reading English new vocabularies, learning new vocabularies, listening to English conversation, and speaking simple sentence, improvement can seen within a few months. Small daily practice is more effective than studying for many hours. Only once in a while, time management helps learners create a proper routine for reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Regular practice builds confidence and fluency step by step. In professional life, time management plays a major role in success. Employees who complete their works on time are expected by managers and co-workers. Business depend upon deadline, schedules, meetings and planning. Workers who waste time often create problems for themselves and others. Proper time management helps people complete tasks efficiently and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Successful business leaders understand the value of every minute. They organize their work carefully, prioritize important activities, and avoid unnecessary distractions. This discipline helps companies grow and achieve long-term success. Time management is equally important in maintaining physical and mental health. Many people say they do not have time to exercise, sleep properly, or eat healthy food. In reality, the problem is often poor time management. A people who plans daily activity wisely can find time for exercise, healthy mentals, relaxation, and family. Good health habit reduce consistency and proper scheduling. Lack of time management may lead to stress, anxiety, poor sleep, and unhealthy lifestyle. People who sleep late, wake up irregularly, and spend excessive time on entertainment often feel tired and unproductive. A balanced routine helps improve energy level, mental peace, and overall happiness. One of the biggest enemy of time management is procrastination. Procrastination means delaying important tasks unnecessarily. Many people postpone work because they feel lazy, distracted, or afraid for failure. They say, I will do it tomorrow, but tomorrow becomes another tomorrow. This habit wastes valuable opportunity and increase stress. Students delay homework, workers delay project, and individuals delay personal goals. As deadline approach, pressure and anxiety increases. Procrastination can become a dangerous habit if not controlled early. To overcome procrastination, people should divide large tasks into smaller parts, start works immediately, and focus on one activity at a time. Even small progress is better than no progress. Technology has both positive and negative effect on time management. Mobile phone, social media, video games, and entertainment platform can waste many hours if you used without control. Many young people spend more time scrolling through videos than studying or developing skill. Notification and distraction reduce focus and productivity. However, technology can also improve time management when used wisely. Calendars, alarms, reminder apps, online learning platforms, and productivity tools can help people organize tasks and schedules effectively. The key is self control and discipline. People should use technology as a useful tool rather than allowing it to control their lives. Planning is an important part of time management. If a person who plans activities properly can achieve more in less time. Daily schedules and to-do list help people remember important tasks and avoid confusion. Prioritizing work is also essential. Important and urgent tasks should be completed first, while less important activity can be done later. Some people spend too much time on simple or important activities and ignore more responsibilities. Effective planning helps people focus on their goals clearly. It also increases confidence because completed tasks and create satisfaction and motivation. Discipline and time management are closely connected. Without discipline, good schedules and plans become useless. Discipline means following a routines regularly even when motivated is slow. Successful people do not depend only on motivation. They depend on habits and discipline. Waking up early, studying regularly, completing works on time, and maintaining healthy habit require self-control. Discipline helps people avoid distractions and remain focused on their goals. Time management become easier when discipline become a part of daily life. Parents and teachers play an important role in teaching time management to children. Children should learn for young age how to organize their activity and use time wisely. Parents can help children create steady schedules, limit screen time, and encourage healthy routines. Teachers can guide students to complete assignment on time and develop responsible habits. Schools can also teach the importance of punctuality, planning, and discipline through activities and projects. Children who learn time management early often becomes more successful and responsible adult. Time management also improves relationship and family life. People who manage their time properly can spend quality time with family and friends. Business schedule often create stress and distance in relationship, but proper planning helps maintain balance between works and personal life. Family members feel happier when they receive attention, communication, and care. Time management teach people to evaluate not only work but also relationship and emotional well-being. Another important benefit of time management is stress reduction. People who delay tasks and work without planning often feel pressure and confusion. They may forget important responsibility and struggles to complete tasks before deadlines. This creates anxiety and frustration. On the other hand, people who plan their activities and complete work step by step feel more relaxed and confident. Organized routines help reduce mental pressure and improve emotional stability. Time management also helps people achieve long-term goals. Big dreams cannot be achieved in one day. Success requires regular effort over more month or year. Students who want to become a doctor, engineer, teacher, or entrepreneur must use time wisely every day. Athletes, musicians, writers, and artists also achieve greatness through disciplined schedules and regular practice. Even small delay effort create powerful result over time. Reading a few pages every day can lead to great knowledge. Saving small amount of money regularly can create financial security. Continuous effort and proper use of time slowly build success. Nature itself teaches the value of time management. The sun rises and sets on time every day. Seasons change regularly. Farmers follow proper timing for planting and harvesting crops. Birds wake up early and search for good systematically. Nature works according to order and timing. Human beings can also learn discipline and balance by observing nature. Many famous personalities become successful because they respected time. Great scientists, inventor, leader, and entrepreneur follow strict routine and used every moment productively. They understood that wasting time means wasting life itself. Successful people often wake up early, plan their day carefully, avoid distraction, and focus on continuous improvement. Their achievement or the result of year of disciplined effort and effective time management. Sometimes people behave they need perfect condition to start working, but their mindset waste times. Waiting for a right moment often delay progress. The best way to use time effectively is to start immediately with whatever resources are available. Small actions done consistent are more valuable than perfect plans without action. People should avoid overthinking and focus on steady progress. Time management also help build confidence and self-respect. When people complete a task on time, they feel proud and motivated. They trust their own ability more. Completing responsibility successful create a positive mindset. On the other hand, wasting time often create guilt, disappointment, and regret. Good time management increases productivity and gives people a sense of control over their lives. In modern society, competition is increasing in education, career, and personal development. People who manage their time effectively often gain advantage over others. They can learn new skills, complete tasks faster, and achieve goals more efficiently. Time management allows people to use opportunity wisely instead of missing them through carelessness or delay. One practical way to improve time management is by setting clear goals. Goals provide direction and purpose. Without goals, people may waste time because they do not know what they trust want to achieve. Short-term goal and long-term goal help individuals stay focused and motivated. Breaking goals into small daily tasks makes them easier to achieve. Rewarding progress and maintaining positive habits can also improve consistency. Rest and relaxation also important process of time management. Some people work continuously without proper break and eventually feel exhausted. Good time management include balancing work, study, exercise, sleep and relaxation. Proper rest improve concentration, creativity and mental health. Balanced schedule create sustainable productivity rather than temporary effect. In conclusion, time management is one of the most powerful skills for achieving success, happiness, and balance in life. It helps students study effectively, workers perform efficiently, families maintain healthy relationships, and individuals improve their physical and mental well-being. Time is precious because it never returns once it is passes. Therefore, every person should learn to value and use time wisely. Good time management requires planning, discipline, consistency, and self control. It may seem difficult at first, but a regular practice can develop strong habit over time. Small improvement in daily routine can create great change in the future. A person who respects time gain confidence, reduce stress, achieve goals, and live a more meaningful life. Therefore, everyone should understand that managing time properly is not only the key of success but also the key of peaceful and productive life.